All right, here's a short video tutorial on Humpty Dumpty. Let's go straight to the sheet music. All right, so as you can see, we have Humpty Dumpty here, and the first thing that you want to do is look at the time signature. We know the time signature is in 3/4 time signature, so we know that every measure gets 3 beats. Let's look at measure number 1. We have a half note, so we know that a half note gets 2 beats. So that's 1, 2, and then on the quarter note, we have beat 3. So I should hear 1, 2, 3, or Humpty. Okay, so that you have some understanding of what you should be playing. Measure 2, we have the same thing, 3 beats, because every measure is going to equal a total of 3 beats. That's where the 3 comes in. So if we count measure 2, 1, 2, and on the quarter note, beat 3. Let's look at measure number 3. We have 1, 2, 3. And then in the fourth measure, we have a dotted half note. And you should know already, a dotted half note gets 3 beats. 1, 2, 3, and a 3/4 time signature. All right, let's go on over to our keyboard. All right, so we're at the keyboard. We're looking at our music. Hopefully you have your music in front of you, whether you printed it out or you have it on your tablet or looking at it on your computer. So you should already know we're in the middle C position, hand position, and we're going to look at measures 1 through 4. You know every measure has how many beats? 3 beats in each measure from our time signature 3, 4. So let's look at measures 1 through 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Okay, good job. Make sure you practice that. And now the next measures, we have measures 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Okay, let's look at measures 9, 10, 11, and 12. Measures 9 through 12. Here we go. We're on the finger number 3 on the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All the king's horses and all the king's men. Okay, so practice that. And now we're at the last 4 measures, which is measures 13, 14, 15, and 16. And we have couldn't put Humpty together again. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Couldn't put Humpty together again. All right, and this is a fun song, so have fun, sing along, and I'll see you in the classroom.